Hi, this is Luis Alvarado, and today we'll be checking Meraki Tribe Collective. Meraki Tribe Collective directory. Okay, so first, I love the branding here with the colors. Nice, nice, consistent, which is good. So some recommendations would be what the well, somebody tried to paste the CSS code for an image here. Looks like. The first thing that I would say is making sure that the size, the space for all this is consistent. So you can see that like this one's up all the way up here, and this one down here. Then they start changing sizes. So the image is consistent. You can see that the title too. Okay, you can see that it cuts before it turns into a two-liner there. That's good. But maybe something that runs so it makes sure that just the first letter is uppercase, everything is lowercase. It makes sure that there's only 4 lines. It makes sure that if they don't have a location, it doesn't matter. The view listing will always show down here. That way they're consistent everywhere. Great work here. Yeah. I mean, maybe like a divider here could be highlighted more, like a blackish kind of thing, so it stands out. Just minor things. The only thing that I know is that, for example, this Facebook chat, I know that if I go to phone, it just, yeah, it would do something like that. Actually, yeah, you can see that it just takes, it gets in the way of looking at the site. So that's something that could maybe get disabled if they're on the phone or not so big that it actually sucks in the whole screen. Other than that, you're good to go here. I would maybe renaming this stuff to something more. I mean, you have it good here. It's just that maybe Google will complain. Let's run the SEO check to see what's going to happen. Okay, so we got our response here. 49%. Again, images. A lot of the images. Okay, so we need to make some adjustments here with the. They need some love. We made smaller by a lot. Also, some images are bigger than their space where they are being shown. The size of the site is 35.5 megabytes. It's super huge. Right now you're winning. You're first place in the worst site that needs some love there. In regards to size. Okay? So that needs some love. Check here. Yeah. I'm just looking for critical stuff. So right now the most critical thing that you have right now is that the images are super huge. Okay, in many of the cases. And the fact that the site is actually 35 megabytes is it's a really bad thing. Um, just refresh the page here. And yeah, you can see there 10, 12, 20, 30, 35, 30. Oh my God. 42 megabytes loaded now. It's a 42 megabyte site. This needs some improvement really fast. Even though it doesn't look like that. Like if I click on a specific image, I mean, we're looking at the size here, okay? And then if I go here, this is good. This is good for that specific one. But there are other images somewhere in here that when we check the original ones, they're super huge. And those are the ones that the SEO from Google is complaining about. So like this one, way too big. You can see that the original image looks like this. The actual image that shows on the site is like this. Guessing the other ones here uh, repeat themselves. Yep, yep, yeah. So this ones need some love there. Videos are good that they're not automatically being executed, which is good. I will actually change this labels, join our site today, get listed today, to something more like a better call to action, a text that actually tells the user a little bit more about this, and that will help Google understand the relationship between the homepage and this specific page, the join page. Yeah. Other than that, you're good. You're good. Like most of the things are here are awesome. So you got the Facebook thing that needs some checking on the phone. You got the images that need to go down. Once you do that, then you'll look better. Maybe also standardize the images here because it looks like I can see the difference there. It moved a little bit down. Do you actually need this too here? I think it's more relevant this part. The information basically. Upcoming events and stuff like that. Newest members. Maybe move that up here if need be. And this part can go down here. Oh, the reviews actually help too if you put them up. And again, same thing, making sure that the size is the same. Right now, it's yeah, everything looks the same, but since this one has 4 and all of this has 3, maybe you can probably make a rule that it's 3 maximum, so that they're at the same height as the image. Same for this one, maybe a one-liner, a wisdom teacher to learn, and then it cuts, and this moves a little bit up, so it's at the same height as the image. And you're good to go. This is an easy site to fix from the SEO perspective. I mean, so you're awesome. You're awesome. Okay, think positive.